Hi there, students. To pick up on something, to notice, to observe, particularly something that's overlooked by most people. So, did you pick up on the fact that he was actually smiling while he was giving the bad news? Okay, so this is to notice something, to become alert or aware of something. So yeah, there are. Did you pick up on the loving looks between Jennifer and Thomas? Yeah, a good detective picks up on suspicious behaviour right away. Yeah, if you've got sharp eyes, you notice everything. You pick up on everything that is important. Yeah, if somebody's in a bad mood, it's best to use your empathy and pick up on the fact that they are not happy. So to become aware of, to notice, yeah, to understand, to appreciate something. Did you pick up on the hostility, that there was a problem? Yeah. As a teacher, you need to pick up on students who don't understand what you've just explained. You need to notice it. You need to be to pick up on it. If you're astute, you pick up on things that other people don't notice. If you have an untrained eye, at first glance you may not pick up on important things. Okay, so to notice, yeah, to notice something that other people haven't really seen. I guess you could also pick up on something that someone else has said. Yeah, you start talking about something that they previously mentioned. Can I pick up on what you were saying earlier about global warming? So I'm bringing back the subject that you used before. Okay, can I pick up on the topic that you were talking about yesterday? Reintroduce it into the conversation. To pick up on contradictions in what somebody has said, to notice things that other people haven't noticed. You pick up on it. Yeah, you understand something that's not been communicated directly. Did you pick up on her lack of interest in the subject? Did you notice it? It wasn't obvious, it wasn't openly communicated, but clearly it was there. To pick up on something that somebody has said, to give attention to bring back to the fore, to bring back to the front. So to pick up on something, to notice something. Yeah, if your mind is alert, you will pick up on many things that other people don't. I think being emotional intelligence is about picking up on how people feel about things and then reacting accordingly. Yeah. When you're a kid and you hear adults talking, there are many things you don't pick up on, you don't notice, you don't realize, because this is something that, yeah, it's not something you understand. Okay, so to pick up on, to become alert to something, to notice something, to notice a particular point. Okay, let's see, to pick up on, formality. Did you pick up on that? I think I'm going to give it a 4. Informality, use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing just about, but certainly no more. And As to origin, I guess you pick up and you notice it and you look at it, but that's it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To pick up on something.